Good day to you all. Welcome to Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make caramel for dessert recipe. You know, when making desserts we need caramel in making our desserts, like cream caramel. So I'm going to show you how to make the caramel itself. It's not that hard, but it just depends. You need the time to be there and be watching it. So let's on our heat, and all we need for this is 1 cup of sugar in making this caramel, and also 4 tablespoons of water. So you need just 3 ingredients, and after adding the water you continue stirring. I put mine in the low heat so that it will not burn too fast, but it will, little by little, it will dissolve. So that is the reason why I had to lower it. It's not that low, but it's not too high. So it depends. Like I said, this you need to be stirring this continuously. If not, your caramel will get burnt and you will not like it. It will not even turn to the way you want it. So keep stirring. Main thing what we do in this particular recipe is to stir. Like before I made this, while I was making this caramel, is I was about to prepare a dessert called cream caramel. I always use this as well in making my fondants. You know, when making fondant for cake or those sugar paste, you need this caramel. So I was making this particular one. Right now what we need is lemon, half of lemon. You squeeze in the liquid, just the juice we need. What does it helps it a lot. It helps it. So, and you keep stirring as well. Like I said, this recipe is just about stirring and stirring. You will get tired stirring, but you're stirring it so that it will not get burnt. It will cook the way you want it. That is the essence of stirring it. So like I was saying, this recipe, I was preparing it for my cream caramel. You know, my family loved that recipe so much. I will still make the recipe for you guys. My family love it so much, and I myself, you know, good things, you have to bring out time. So I was making the cream caramel when I was making this one. So I said, anyway, I've not filmed this, let me use this opportunity to film this one, despite I didn't film it the way I used to, but there is no big deal. At least I'm doing it right now. So you keep stirring. You see the color is changing. If you look very well, the color is now changing, and in this way you keep stirring until you get that desired color, that red color, that it will make it not actually pure red, but at least it will look like it's red. It will turn to red, and when you use it to make your cream caramel, my goodness, you will love it. You will love the taste. You will love it actually. So before, when I used to make my fondants, I used to add in cream tartar. That cream tartar, I used to add it when I used to make that. So, well, it's okay. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have been watching this video, please feel free. It doesn't harm, it doesn't hurt. You see the red button down there that says subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. And if you like this video, please, at the same time, let me know below the comment section. But if you don't like it, let me know at the same thing. Let me know. See, yeah, let me know in the comment section why you didn't like the video, or it's up to you. So please, I'm waiting for your reply, guys. So as you can see, I'm just allowing it to turn red well, you know, give me that creamy red that when I use it for my caramel, it will be yummy and you will enjoy it. So you see, it has turned red. There's not much on this. You just let it, and when it turns red, you leave it, you off the heat and keep it aside. It will block, as in it will harden. So thanks guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. I'm really grateful. See you on my next video. Bye.